Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to my channel. My name is America of America's Abstracts. If you're new here, hi. I create fluid art to distract myself from my chronic illnesses, and so as a result of that, I either upload a creation video and or a how-to video twice a week on Thursdays and Sundays. So for today's video, I have a fun experimentation that I did. I mixed up some colored cell activator, these guys here, 2 months ago, back in October, and forgot about them. So I wanted to do an experiment to see not only one, if just being a colored cell activator, if I could get some really cool cells and lacing, just with a basic test for all three, and also if they'll work 2 months in. And so I'll go over the colors for the cell activators I used. They're all in the Amsterdam line. This is Amsterdam Blue Turquoise, or Turquoise Blue. This is Ultramarine Violet. And this one is Nickel Titanium Yellow. By the way, my cell activator is the Shelee Carruthers recipe. If you would like to know how to make that, I definitely would recommend taking the Sheleeart e-course. Your art will just go to the next level. It's so great, and then the community in there is amazing. If you do want to take the course to get your bloom on, I will have a link down in my video description, as well as my code for 15% off. That's also listed in the video description. All three cell activators I just did a very basic test on. I used a white pillow. I used my Liquitex Mars Black plus Artist Loft Iridescent Medium. I just had a lot of this, so I kind of wanted to use it up so then I can make fresh colors, make a fresh black for me. Let's get into showing that experiment. interesting results, no? So one thing I want to give you guys a little kind of tip, I guess, that I've learned. One thing I've noticed with all my cell activators that I've been able to do thus far is you gotta be opaque. I haven't had any luck. I have tried to use other colors, like this reflex green. Looks really cool, right? But it's like transparent, so it didn't work. Wanted to show you guys real quick dry results of these. Now keep in mind, these are practice tiles. I wasn't planning on covering the entire tile even. I just wanted to get good cell action. But this is the turquoise, blue turquoise cell activator. Dry, pretty awesome lacing in cells. This is the Amsterdam titanium yellow. Pretty crisp, clean cells, awesome. And also here is the ultramarine violet. Now I probably could have done this on a lighter color, but I just wanted the pillow and like all my controls to be the same for my experiment. Comment down below, let me know what you thought. Let me know which one of the 3 cell activators was your favorite from my little test. Was it the ultramarine violet? Was it the nickel titanium yellow? Or was it the blue turquoise? And as always, if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more, hit that subscribe button and hit the bells to get notifications, because I do, like I said in the beginning, upload twice a week on Thursdays and Sundays. Until next time, folks, have a good rest of your day. Bye!